Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover a forgotten password with Grammarly easy tutorial step by step clearly. To recover a forgotten password with Grammarly, begin by opening your web browser. Type in the Grammarly website URL and press enter. On the Grammarly homepage, locate and click on the login button in the upper right corner. In the login prompt, look for the option that says Forgot Password. Click on Forgot Password to initiate the recovery process. You will be directed to a new page asking for your email address. Enter the email address associated with your Grammarly account. After entering your email, click on the Send Reset Link button. Check your email inbox for an email from Grammarly. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the password reset link, which will take you to a new page. On this page, you will be prompted to enter a new password. Create a strong password that you haven't used before. Confirm your new password by entering it again in the designated field. Once you've entered your new password, click the Reset Password button. You will receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Return to the Grammarly login page to sign in with your new password. Enter your email address and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your Grammarly account. Congratulations, you have successfully recovered your forgotten password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.